$1 ramen versus $100 ramen. Which one is better? For the $1 ramen, we're gonna get the best flavor, and then we're gonna boil this, add the seasoning on top, and it's basic ramen. Got us through hard times, but it's okay. For the expensive ramen, it's Gyukotsu ramen. For a Western stock, oil, salt, coat, and roast your beef bones. Add your beef bones, your vegetables, and let this simmer for 10 hours. For our Miso Tare, add garlic, shallots, chili oil, soy sauce, mirin, MSG, blend that up. Then we're gonna add our miso paste and give that a blend. This is a flavor bomb for our ramen.
And you already know we had to cook with some of the most expensive beef in the world.
Let me introduce you to this A5 Wagyu beef, $120 just for one cut. All we're gonna do is season with salt, sear it, and let it rest. The only way to eat it is medium rare, just like any other steak. I'm not here to argue, but this is one of the most tender pieces ever. Now we're ready to assemble. Add your tare, add your beef stock, then we're gonna add in our cooked ramen noodles, top it with that wagyu. Now top it with a soft boiled egg, add some caviar to make this feel fancy, add some green onions to give it some color, top it with your nori. We're not even done. To make this feel more expensive, we're using pure gold. Then we're gonna add some truffle oil on top, dress that thing up, and we are done.
Now, I don't know how much this will cost, but I know this is some expensive ramen.
This was stacked with everything and paired perfectly. You already know this beat the $1 ramen, but it is expensive. So comment down below, how much do you think this would cost at a restaurant?